Good morning, dear judges and friends of AIfinity. This is Team 4 of a Kind submitting our project Safe Entry Checker with computer vision algorithms. So in this demo video, I'm going to share with you guys on the checking in problem of NTU currently and our solutions to it with computer vision algorithms. So currently, as we all know, in NTU, people check in with two main steps. They have to take their temperature first, and then they have to scan a QR code to check in and manually show it to a working personnel before they can actually enter any building. So this process, we think, causes huge waste of human resources and also causing low efficient of any transport of people. So we are trying to solve this problem with one integrated computer vision algorithm, which we detect mainly people's face and their smartphone so that we can do the check-in directly in one step. So as you can see in this picture, we mainly detect their head and also the smartphone on their hand. So our method is very straightforward. So in the first step, we will detect any object in the screen. So we did this with an model from GitHub called AIfinity. So after we done the object detection, we will be able to identify the minimum bounding box of many objects, including the person's mask and also his or her phone. After we detected these two objects, we can continue our next step algorithm, which is screen extraction. So what we have to do is that we have to further decrease the boundary of the bounding box with some CV2 boundary detection functions. And after this, after we fully extracted the screen, we can do some OCR, and hereby we use the Google Tesseract as our function. After doing some coding running through the datasets, you can see in this graph, it is our training and validation accuracy for our mask detection. Eventually, our model is able to identify 99.48% of all mask detection situations. Here's a practical process of detecting objects. After we apply the general object detection, we are able to identify the bounding box of a person and her phone. So after this, we are able to extract the screen of her phone with the screen extraction as we mentioned before. After this, we apply the OCR to get the text on her phone screen. Therefore, we are able to compare the text on her screen, which is her check-in information, with the practical ones. Therefore, we can verify whether the check-in is valid or not. In this picture, if the check-in time of the person is not correct, the check-in is also not valid.